What's up, everyone? This is Rain here. I do really love this machine. It's pretty cool, my hand. This ain't gonna get used to my own as well. So because I think I should do that because I have the same thing used almost quite a bit because this is a 2-in motor. As you can see, it's like it's pretty small, my hand. But the one thing I should do is something like this because you can tell it's not just the way it's at on the same time. It looks pretty small, my hand. I do really like this thing. Now this ain't gonna get used to my own as well. And since I think you can see how much respect it is, this thing is just pretty small, my opinion, but it's like how much respect it is. But I do like this thing. It's like really cool. It looks pretty cool, my opinion. It looks pretty on my side, but I do really love this machine. It's in team, and I do enjoy this thing exactly because, well, I mean, look at this thing. It looks pretty small. It's pretty small, my opinion, but I do love this thing a lot. And you know what? It's a pretty nice looking machine, and definitely use it.